I just got back from the Family Dollar and I saw this ring light, which I'd actually been looking for one. And as you can see, it comes with the ring light and the phone mount and a tripod base. I'm really asking $5 for it. And when I went to check out, though, they only charged me half price. It was $2.50. Now I checked around online, and I saw this same light going for anywhere between $10 and $20. So I thought I'd open it up and see what you get for your money. This is for $2.50. What do we have? Yeah, let's see, we have our light. It's not bad. There's a mounting receptacle there. Let's see what else is in the box here. We have our very valuable instructions telling us to take the phone holder from the poly bag. Of course. That we have. This is not a toy. Keep away from your pets. What else is inside? We have the phone holder. Spring mounted there. And looks like that'll fit into any kind of tripod base you have. And this little cheap tripod. Let's try it out. It's not bad. I guess it doesn't have to support much weight. So let's get it put together, and I'll meet you back in a second. Alright, we're back, and I have this hooked up to my USB battery bank here. As you can see, you have the tripod legs there, which do in fact work and hold it up. The phone mount is going to be a little awkward because that's poking out of the top here. So I think I'm going to take that off for this video. And we'll see how bright this is compared to the lighting I have now, which is not ideal. So we'll keep this down here. And we'll use the control to power it up. Get this little red button. Oh, I think my USB, there we go. That's very bright. It's not really being picked up on camera, but it's very bright. And you can adjust the power levels here. The brightness, you can knock it down, although I don't know why you do that. You can also increase it. And you can cycle between cold white, you have warm color temperature, cool white, and both, which is probably going to give you the brightest light output. So if we turn this around and, yeah, that does, let me turn off my other lights here. And if we put the phone in the middle, yeah, that does put down quite a bit of light. Let's throw a watch down and take a look at that. Not bad. Of course, we use it on the tripod. Well, the tripod can use some work, but for $2.50, I'd say this was a steal. So yeah, if you do see one of these at your local Family Dollar, give it a try. $5, $2.50, either way, you can't go wrong.